Yeah.
Yeah, cloud.
A flower. What flower?
Flower. It's right.
What mouse? What trap? What trap? What trap? What trap? What trap?
Whoa, choo-choo track.
A butter. A butter. A water. Water. Yatta.
Yay, Thomas.
A tita. Tita.
Is that his whistle?
Rose. Yeah, rose. Yeah, no. Yeah.
I think that's where the tree goes. Try a different piece, bud. More tree.
Yeah, tree.
Yay, tree. It's Thomas's mouth. Where does it go? Close. You're close, buddy. Try again.
Yeah.
Is there already part of his mouth there? Can you find the rest of his mouth? His eye, yeah. And turn it around. Does it go a different way? Close, buddy. Try a different piece, Isaac. Keep trying.
Me. Yeah.
There's woo-woos. Is it upside down? Yeah.
A mouse.
His mouth. Where does his mouth go? Off the table. That's not where his mouth goes, silly. Silly Isaac.
Yeah, mouse.
Okay, you keep his mouth there. See how that works. I think it goes somewhere else, buddy. What? Do you want me to help with that piece? Help, please. Does it go? Look at Isaac. Look at his eye. And his eye. There you go. Good job. All right. I don't think there's any more Thomas left. I think it's time to work on Percy. Percy or James?
Yeah, I see. See.
Percy.
Yeah, I. Yeah, I. Yeah, I.
Good job.
Mercy. Mercy. Mercy.
And is there track?
Yeah, try.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where's the track fit?
Yeah. 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 Mercy.
More Percy? Oh, sorry, no feet on the chair. Is it part of Thomas? Yeah, yay! Coal car, that's right.
How cool cars see. Now
Where's James's coal car go?
Yes,
Yay! Good job. Yay! More Percy. Percy's whistle. What's the whistle say? Hoo-hoo. Oh, is that got part of James's coal car too?
Yeah.
Nice. Good job, buddy.
Yeah, car.
Coal car.
Emojis. See. Cheese. Ooh. Nice.
Nice.
Percy. Percy. Cheese. Yeah, cheese. Yeah, cheese.
Off the table, Isaac.
Cheese. Yeah, cheese.
Yeah, that's part of James. I think it's upside down though. Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. What piece is next?
Cheese.
James's face?
Yeah. Yes. Oh. Yes. Cheese. Yeah, cheese.
Yay, James. You're almost done, Isaac.
Plus cheese. Mouse.
More mouth. That's right.
Cheese. Mouse. Ooh. Ooh. Let's see. What was? Oh. What was? Oh. What was truck?
Where's that track go?
Yeah.
Nice job, buddy.
About cheese. About cheese.
More James and more track.
About
How many pieces are left, Isaac? Oh, right there. Now how many pieces do you have left? Do you have one? One.
Yeah, one.
One.
Two cheese. Two cheese. Two cheese. Two cheese.
Isaac, you did that whole puzzle all by yourself. Good job. Good job, Isaac. Isaac, look at Mom. Look at Mom. High five. Oh, you just want to do it again? Okay, we'll do it again.